what we're going to talk about today? That's correct! Multimedia and ICT. So grab your seats and let's dive in. So first, what is multimedia? Basically, multimedia is the combination of different forms of content like text, images, audio, video, and animation. Oh, what are you doing? I'm playing online games. Oh, that's sample of multimedia. Really? Yes.
What?
It makes learning, communication, and entertainment more interactive and fun. Imagine social media posts, YouTube videos, online games. That's multimedia in action. What are you doing? I was chatting my boyfriend.
What?
Oh, you.
So, how are they connected? Well, multimedia becomes more powerful through ICT. For example, teachers now use PowerPoint presentations, interactive videos, and online platforms to make lessons engaging. Businesses use ICT tools to promote products with graphics, animations, and advertising. And of course, without ICT, we wouldn't even be able to watch this vlog right now.
Multimedia and ICT are not just about fun. They are about communication, learning, and connection. They help us express ourselves creatively, share information globally, and even solve real-world problems.
So, that's it for today's vlog about multimedia and ICT.
If you learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe.
And share this with your classmates.
See you in the next video! Bye!